our family started farming here in 1927 on this particular farm here. My grandfather and his two brothers immigrated from Italy and they purchased this land, and now myself and my family farm this property. We grow sugarcane as our main crop. We also grow cover crops, and we also do some horticulture with sweet potatoes, pumpkins and some melons. We started our Reef Credit project about 5 years ago, so we really focused on reducing our environmental footprint. So we don't want products, fertiliser products for example, leaving our farm and impacting on water quality. They need to stay on farm. We want to reduce our tillage, right? So make sure that we have soil structure. The more tillage we do, the more carbon we burn off. We want to create an environment that's good for growing plants and that has a living soil, not a dead soil. We also want to be able to manage our traffic, so manage compaction. So that's why we've implemented controlled traffic and looking at that whole sustainable farming system. We don't want to have an impact on the environment. We want to minimise that as much as possible. The reef is really important. Our local towns and communities in Queensland rely on that, and we all need to work together to protect our environment and have a good place for us to live. The Reef Credit Schemes has actually allowed us an income which we've put straight back into our property to actually add opportunities for us to buy the seed, buy the legumes, and it's also allowed us to reinvest back into our farm as well. So we'll be able to reduce our costs, be viable and be sustainable all in one. I definitely recommend the scheme. I really think there's some good opportunities here for farmers going forward.